video in so long. It's probably because I haven't been working out, but I'm with Peyton. You guys can probably see her on my like Instagram, TikTok, Snapchat. Yes. If you guys want to follow me, follow her, you know. Okay, so today we're talking about Daisy Keech's 10-minute hourglass workout. We wrote them all down on Peyton's phone and we realized that there's only 9 workouts, so yeah, what's that about? I don't know, so it's like an arrow on her end. Each set is 1 minute. Me and Peyton haven't worked out in a long time, and this is our first day back, so what better way to start it off with a little ab challenge. I heard these kill. Like, I literally saw a TikTok of a girl like crying doing this. Are you ready for this?
Yes. I just need to set this thing to 1 minute. Because I got this app.
After this, we're gonna make a fire dinner. Yes. Protein shakes and then protein pasta. But what's first?
Orange juice. Okay, ready?
Yeah. Oh wait, remember?
What's first? Orange juice.
Dude, okay guys, I lied to you on this. I actually did work out for the first time yesterday, so my arms are already freaking.
I used to be so good at it now. I haven't worked for like a month.
When I get consistent at working out, I'm great, but
Same. I used to be so good. Now I'm so
religious with it.
Dude, like 2018, I was like the most fit I've ever been in my life.
Really?
Yeah. I shoot, bro.
I think this summer happened when I was fit, but I haven't worked out, which doesn't make sense. So I don't know. Probably to be honest. Dude, that's the only thing that I'm thinking that cut to me. Is that? Dude, I'm dying.
I'm used to 30-second ones. This minute is eternal. Okay, wait. Bicycle crunches. A minute and a second really feels like forever. I'm really used to 30
That
seconds.
felt so long. My hips pop when I do these.
Dude, so whenever I do like leg raises, my legs pop too.
And it hurts. Yo, my abs are
You're what?
my abs are burning. But it's like the pain from yesterday. Like the post.
Yeah, plus I have no breaks in this.
I'm gonna have to get I'm very good for this one.
I wish this place had a sauna.
What?
I wish this place had a sauna. Dude, it really feels like
Dude, I know. I'm literally dying right now. Oh, like my abs are in so much pain from yesterday. It hurts.
oh my god.
I know, bro. No, so I just will cry.
Hours. Okay, jackknives. I don't know what the hell that is.
Isn't that
Quick, show me this. Oh, I can't do it. It hurts. Yeah, I think it's a screenshot of this.
This is what the side punches are about to do.
It's yeah, it is. So it's
Oh.
you know, the double chin.
Also not flexible. Look at you.
Dude, my abs hurt so bad.
It's a good thing.
No, it's not. It hurts. I think I'm crazy.
I think my legs are cramping.
I'm probably doing all these so wrong. Okay. Makes sense.
Russian twist.
Oh.
This one's like easier.
They're easier, but they burn.
Yeah.
Okay.
Fine.
Okay, this feels better
Yeah.
than the other ones.
Did you bring your resistance bands?
You forgot. Damn it, I forgot. Sorry. I mean, they might have them, but I've never seen
They
them.
definitely don't. I was looking a little bit. Plus,
In the weight room, I don't know. Oh my god, I hate this.
a minute, like I can't say it enough, it really feels like forever. I'm gonna do it, I'm half-assing these right now.
Oh,
taps on. Oh,
So wait, how did she do these
so
stuff?
she does it like this. Like put your hands in under your butt and just. Oh, did she like hip hop with it? No, she's doing this. Yeah. Oh my god, that's my whole ass leg.
Feels like I'm on like a ice cream. I'm not. Berries and cream, berries and cream. I don't even know how to explain. What are you talking about?
Berries and cream, berries and cream. I'm a little lad who loves berries and cream.
Oh, the TikTok. Berries and cream, berries and cream.
Oh my god, I hate this.
I apologize to anybody in the party room next door to us. I'm so sorry.
I don't think they can hear us.
Probably not. I'm sorry.
Okay, side crunches. Okay. I'm just gonna go
15%, right?
Oh, I'm just gonna do like this. Oh! I don't even feel this, like in my abs. I'm just tired.
Oh, I feel it. Oh!
I'm not even breaking a sweat.
I'm not either. My abs are just in pain.
Everyone's don't make me sweat, but they are tired.
Okay, 15.
Okay, scissor kicks. I hate these sounds. Wait, is it up and down?
No, it's like this.
Ew. Oh! Yeah, breathe.
I don't know. I would decided to.
I know that we look so nervous. I know that we look so right now. Really? Yeah. Oh my god. This I've done approximately 3 scissor kicks.
Oh my god, I'm gonna shut off my main
Oh! Does it hurt that bad?
No. Well, it doesn't hurt like.
If this was my first day doing it, no, but because I did a workout like this yesterday.
First crunches.
Okay, so
You can do that.
you go like this. You go.
Yeah, keep your legs out.
Yeah.
Like. Yeah, how does it feel like lift your legs like that? Is that like tilting back forward?
I think you're just gonna like rock it.
Oh.
Just like.
Okay.
Yeah, like that.
Dang, I used to do these. This is the one I felt the most.
Dude.
If you kick your legs out at the end, it really burns. Like that.
Oh!
No, like at the end.
Oh!
Like this.
Oh.
That really hurts.
Yeah, let me do that.
Easy average, we're just grunting.
Oh! Come back in a month to see a progression video.
Right?
Like this workout.
I really suck. Okay.
Did not go well.
Okay, last one. Flutter kicks.
Okay, so those are the up and down ones, right?
Yeah, like this.
Daisy Keech, learn how to count, bro. One more
Yeah,
workout
we
to
have
do.
to do something else. We're
No,
still
we're not.
play or something.
Oh my god, okay. Yeah, let's go.
I hate this one. Like, I feel like in my legs, not in my abs.
Yeah, my eyes. Or like my quads.
Yeah, exactly.
She's like, somehow look like
This sucks.
She's just full time around. Oh my god.
I started to get crunches. It's all real shit. I just paused it. We're done. But let's do like a 1 minute. Let's do like a 1 minute like. But next time, let's try my workout. Because 30 seconds and you do more, I feel like it burns way more. But it's also like less. I don't know. Boring.
Okay. I'm gonna get clean, y'all. Let's get it.
Dude, why does my head hurt? I think it's just poison. Okay.
I'm turning this up all the way.
Alright. Okay, ready? Go. It's gonna be so funny listening to this back.
I know.
Because I can't hear it, so we're just like whispering. Dude. I do like plank twists, like
Oh, yeah.
for my ab workout. I love those, are my favorite. I think these stuff I always do the same stuff, but I really
Me
like
too.
the way they
Me
are.
too. I did the same ab workout.
I'm literally so weak.
Yeah, my stamina has gone down so much. Like every time I like start working out again, like I'm just so weak.
Okay.
Activity completed.
Well, I feel like lifting weights. I'm so hungry.
Dude.
We have to, I know. I just wanna eat. I want ice cream again.
Yes. Or we can just get a pint of ice cream and we can get like cavities and stuff and make our own. Why are we just? Oh my god! Oh my god! I'm dead.
It was so good, dude.
We could get it. No.
I really don't want to work out.
Okay. How do you feel after that workout?
Like exactly the same, just more tired.
Yeah. So like I feel. The thing that burned me when I first started the workout is like, since I told you guys before, like I just started working out again like yesterday. So the ab workout that I did yesterday, I was sore when I woke up this morning from that. So then doing another like intense ab workout back to back just kind of like really killed me. And I think that's what hurt me more than the actual workout itself. So I can like joked in the video like come back in like a month and then like see where we're at.
Yeah.
Like, that's gonna be a piece of cake to us. Didn't break a sweat, same thing that Peyton said. I feel good.
No, it was good.
I mean, in the middle of it, I wanted to die, but I feel good that it's over.
Yeah.
I would do it again. Well, that concludes the video. Short and sweet. Thank you guys for watching. If there's any like fitness challenges or videos that you guys want to see us do, let us know. Give us some like recommendations or like a YouTube video challenge or another Daisy Keech workout. Let us know and we'd be down to do it and try it. And hopefully it goes better than it did today. Because today was honestly a joke and I'm very embarrassed with my performance. I'm so sorry.
Really saying.
To any fitness watchers out there. Like
That
this
was
was a joke.
bad.
That was really embarrassing.
It was bad.
We're not like this. We're
I promise.
actually active. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching